Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. First off, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my old cases of last year, 2018 50th anniversary. Let's take the first. This is the wave 2 of the 50th anniversary. So we start with number 6. Volkswagen T1 Drag Bus, 50th anniversary. Favorites with the logo, frame on the top, front, Volkswagen, and the back. Very nice cutting. Actually, it's quite heavy. So this is number 6 out of 10. And we do have 2 in the case. Good weight. Number 7, 78 Dodge Lear Red Express truck. I believe that we only have this one car inside this case. I'll show you why. The color is actually very nice. You can see the word here, little Red Express truck. Nice artwork. The top, you can see clearly is the wooden platform behind. At the front, at the back, and the bottom. This is number 7. Next up is number 8. In this case, number 8 is 55 Chevy Bel Gasser in pink with the lime look rooftop. It's a Gasser collector favorites. Definitely big deal. At the back, the plaque stated 55 T1 5. Bottom, and number 8. In fact, the case that I received, I have 3 Gasser. The other Gasser is in black with the white rooftop. See? 55 Chevy Bel Gasser. I heard that this one is very rare and not easy to find. The window is actually tinted in somewhat orange as opposed to the green for this one. So what is 50 FIVE for the plaque? Front. So we have 2 different Gasser, and being the 3rd Gasser inside the case is also a black one, which is very cool. Number 9, 69 Camaro Car number 9 in the case. The yellow is very nice with the white rooftop. At the front, the back, if you can see it clearly, and the bottom. Two of them in the case. Last 10, car number 10, Golf livery, 65 Ford Galaxie, car number 10, rooftop, the ever popular Golf series, the headlight, the back, and the bottom of the chassis. Very nice. And we have two of them in a case. So tell me, which one is your favorite? Oops. I would say that a lot of people will go for this. And the pink one. So let me know which one is your favorite in the comment below. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.